Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings right here. Let's scroll down, and under personal tab, let's choose sound and vibration. Then let's choose silent and DND right here, and you can turn it on right here by using DND. As you can see, you can change some settings. For example, you can allow some incoming calls from some exceptions. You can choose notify about your repeat callers. You can restrict some floating notification, and you can turn on automatically do not disturb by using the schedule time right here. Let's go back. As you can see, this is the icon of do not disturb. You can disable do not disturb right here by using the regular mode, and everything is in normal mode right now. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.